The suspect was caught doing 36 miles per hour in a 25 mile per hour zone. It started as a routine traffic violation, but the driver's refusal to stop turned a simple ticket into a high-stakes life and death pursuit through these narrow streets. The suspect was caught doing 36 miles per hour in a 25 mile per hour zone. It started as a routine traffic violation, but the driver's refusal to stop turned a simple ticket into a high-stakes life and death pursuit through these narrow streets. As the situation escalated, the deputy issued a final chilling warning: "You're going to get dog bit." The K-9 unit was ready to strike, and the suspect was about to learn the hard way that running from the law is a gamble you will always lose.
Hello.
Good, how you doing?
Deputy Cliff of the Sheriff's Office. Reason for contact, nice speed, 36 and 25. You got your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
Alright. Is it a rental car?
Yeah.
Alright, you got a rental agreement on you? There we go. Where we coming from tonight? Madison.
Yeah.
Looks like you're past your return date on your thing. It says Monday, February 12th.
No, this might not be.
Is that the old one? Because it picked it up on the 9th and returned it on the 12th?
Yeah, there's a new piece of paper. I don't know.
You can, you probably can't call them right now.
No, they're usually closed.
Yeah.
What's your new return date?
It was because I had an insurance claim.
Gotcha.
So they were keeping it until my car was fixed.
Gotcha. You said you're coming from Madison. Where are you headed to?
Beloit.
Beloit?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so take.
Suspect driving the car is 26-year-old Kevin, and as the deputy runs an inquiry on his identity, the expired car rental will become the least of his concerns.
Rental agreement expired at 10:30 p.m. last night. Can't find the new one. Claims are coming from Madison. It's where the rental is out of anyway.
Did they all ID themselves or no?
No.
They refuse?
No, haven't gotten that far. Driver's on paper for a bunch of fleeing and then receiving stolen property. 5,000 over. I'm going through his DOC rules now.
That, you should have a curfew.
I'm thinking, I thought I saw one in here. He's got like 40 DOC rules.
Did he give you the rental agreement?
Yeah, it was from the 9th to the 12th.
For his name?
Yeah, must remain inside your approved residence between the hours of 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. So yeah, he's outside of his curfew by 4 hours.
And he's a driver?
Yeah. Backseat fucking full.
Have you ID'd everyone or no?
No. No, there is 3. Hey, Kevin, can you step out for me?
Why do you step out for?
I'm just gonna talk to you at the back of the car here.
Wouldn't it just be a regular ticket or something?
No, I'm asking you to step out of the car.
Yeah, I'm asking why. What's the reason?
None of them. These guys are going to be cooperative.
Kevin, can you step out of that vehicle for me?
4246, vehicle's taking off, southbound towards Beloit. I'm going to immediately request spikes by Beloit.
Southbound towards Beloit, requesting spikes from Beloit.
402, I am in pursuit, speed 75 miles an hour, southbound towards Beloit. Roads are dry, vehicles occupied 5 times. Weather is clear.
Thankfully, there's no traffic, but that doesn't deter Kevin from driving dangerously, putting the lives of his friends in the car at risk as he desperately tries to flee the deputies, who are now requesting ways to slow him down.
Requesting pit if we slow down enough before Beloit.
I want, with it just being us two and them having 5 people, I want spikes first. We are past Haithman, approaching Pinell Grove, still southbound 100 miles an hour. Still 100 miles an hour, about to pass Pinell Grove. All back to Cliff. What was the driver wearing?
Believe it's going to be a darker sweatshirt. Driver has shoulder to a little lower, thick dreads.
Copy that. 90 miles an hour, still southbound, passing Laird and Kettle.
Back right passenger is going to be a heavier set male, black, darker sweatshirt, wearing a black do-rag.
The other male in the passenger seat is 23-year-old Deshaun, whom the deputy had observed slouching in his seat and avoiding eye contact during the traffic stop. By now, he already suspects all 5 occupants in the car are involved in something sus. But even when their method to stop them is successful, he is not prepared for the lengths some of them are willing to go just to avoid getting caught.
Fixed out there or no?
Too late, we're past them. 87 miles an hour passing Newark. Suspect probably at Frederick. 103.
16 deployed, 16 deployed. Got a hit on him.
With 2 of the tires busted, deputies believe the chase is nearing its end, but they couldn't be more wrong.
All back. Am I good for hits, lower speeds?
Stand by right now. Stand by. I want another bullet unit with us. Sorry. Where do we have other bullet units at? With them having 5 people, I don't want to pit this vehicle in case they all bail. With just us 2. We're about to go south on 4th.
April on 6, you got a unit.
Copy. Southbound on 4th at Merrill. Cliff, let's go and pit.
On westbound Merrill.
Flip out! You're gonna get dog bit! You're gonna get dog bit! You're gonna get dog bit! Get on the ground! Get the f on the ground!
Rail park, one at gunpoint. Hands behind your back now! One went that way, one went towards Tilly's.
Get on the ground, I got you on gunpoint. Oh, you f***ing move. What's your f***ing move? 42, 46, I got one at gunpoint. I'm gonna be 100% honest, I have no idea where I'm at. Yeah, I got a second male. He's cooperative. Are you driving? Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach. Can you breathe? Why are you running, bro? Why'd you guys not run?
No, I'm scared. You guys good here, buddy? Yeah, we're good. We're good. All right, let's go. Let's get back to our car.
We're good.
402 driver in custody.
You injured? You good, boss? All right, sit up. Put one of your knees. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up.
Man, you're making me run. I'm a supervisor, dog. I don't do this shit. Put your hands out back behind you. I'm not gonna with you, all right? You're good. I get you scared. I'm scared too, man. People don't run if they're not doing dumb. You know what I mean?
What's this guy?
Get out of prison. Why are you doing this to yourself, dude? That's stupid.
I think I'm gonna go back.
Realistically, all you got is misdemeanor charges. All right? No weapons or guns on you? Roll on your side.
4246, just to confirm, there's 2 males and 3 females, correct?
Yeah, 10-4. Stand up for me.
You got him?
Yeah.
10-4. You guys got the driver.
I think the sergeant's alone with 3 at
There's 2
gunpoint.
males. Okay, and Beloit just said they have a male. You got a male. And Linder has 3 females.
How many males in the car? Yeah, that should be everybody. I'm walking my guy out.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, you're good, brother. Are you okay? I kind of threw you into the fence. You good?
4245.
Just a female.
Having copy that if you will be on call up at that doctor.
I shouldn't stay in the car.
Shut up, you wouldn't have had a charge.
For real?
Yeah, now you're going to jail.
For real?
Yeah. You're the passenger, man. You can't control what the driver's doing.
Damn, man.
Yeah, you fucked up. Now you got me all out of fucking breath. You're out all of breath.
I got a driver in the back with me.
Perfect.
Good job, Sarge.
It didn't take much. He's as out of shape as I am. We got to get to the gym, big dog.
Yeah. I didn't sign up for none of this, man.
I didn't sign up for this shit either. That's why I promoted to sit in my car and do nothing. You guys got lucky. I just took my dog in to get his teeth done. One of you guys would have got bitten up.
While Kevin and Deshaun both run for their lives, the 3 women in the car stay behind, choosing to wait for the deputies. And the story they eventually share is something quite different from what deputies had suspected about them all along.
I'm glad you guys stopped them. I was so scared.
It was probably terrifying, sister.
It was so
You don't got any
scary.
bomb creates nothing, right?
No.
Okay. You're going to go with Officer Bornwood, okay?
Back this way.
Start that way.
Back over this way.
This is the dumbest ever.
All right, you go ahead and take a seat for me.
Ouch.
Look, sit.
There's a dog in here?
There's no dog in
Okay.
here. Okay, go ahead and hop in there for me. Nope, no dog in here.
I'm going to say, don't put me in nowhere with no dog, please.
What do you need? What do you...
Oxygen. Dude, I caught that guy. He's all the way up the park. Told the driver to step out of the car over and over ago.
Yeah.
He's like, why? It's just a ticket. I'm like, dude, step out of the car. Looks at me.
Okay. Catch your breath, man. This is DL. Yep, Kevin.
Yeah, that's.
Okay.
He gave me his driver's license before he ran.
All right, I'm gonna go run them.
We check with all back, but I don't think we're charging females or anything unless they're on paper or something.
Yep, I'll run them.
I didn't count it. Back right passenger had like $500, $600, $700 on them. Yeah, big old wad. Getting in a foot chase with all behind me threatening the dog. I'm like, we don't have a dog. We don't have a dog. Bro, he's lying.
With both Kevin and Deshaun in custody, deputies begin speaking with the 3 female passengers to understand what led to this chaotic chase. But they soon realize that the reason may have very little to do with them.
Dude, what happened tonight?
We met them at the bar, and we just was going with them.
Did any 3 of you know those dudes?
No, I've seen them before.
Okay, where have you seen them at?
Like bars and stuff like that.
Okay.
We don't even know them for real. We were kind of just hanging out. We were drinking at first. I guess.
Did they tell you where they were going? No?
We were just drinking.
Did you know like Beloit or like the general?
I knew we was going Beloit, but I didn't know where we was going in Beloit.
Gotcha. Did they tell you what you guys were going to do? Or?
Just go kick it.
Okay. Have you ever met those guys before? No?
But he said he had to pick something up.
Okay.
The one that was driving.
Okay. Yep. Did he ever tell you what he had to stop and get? No? Okay.
But he had his GPS on, so he like knew where he was going.
Okay.
But I don't know what he was going to get. I told him he was speeding. I saw the sheriff. Was it you, the one that he went past?
No, it wasn't.
I told him, I said, you're going to get pulled over for speeding. You're going 40 and a 25. And he was like, man, I got my license, blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, okay. Sure enough, we got behind him.
When I first pulled you guys over in Orfordville, did they say anything to you?
They just, we just sat in the car. And he pulled over. I was like, okay, everything's cool. He's showing you guys his license. I'm like, okay, he got his together, you know? Then when he came back, that's when he started acting like he didn't want to get out of the car.
Okay.
And I was like, what the f***? I don't know, I guess he made the decision to leave.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Did he say anything while he was running?
No. And he pulled off, and I was like, you need to let me out. And then he was telling us, like, the one in the back was like, go faster, or whatever. Okay. And I was like, your safety matters more than anything. I said, even if you're trying to get away from the police, I said, my life matters. If you don't care about yours, mine does. So slow down, let me out or something. I just told them to stop the cars. I said, we're not running. We didn't do anything.
Yeah.
So we're going to stay here, and you guys do what you're going to do because this doesn't have no food. Okay. And then I told them, I said, when you guys kept throwing the spikes, I kept telling them, like, you might as well just get out. Not like get out and run, but like stop the car. Yeah. You might as well get out. There's no point because the next step is going to be probably crashing, and I did not want to crash.
Did you say he was going to run on foot or anything when he stopped? Okay.
I just told him you might as well stop the car. Should have been stopped it. We were like yelling at him the whole time. Okay. But at the same time, I didn't want to like put too much pressure because I didn't want to die. So I like kind of was chill about it. Okay. And then my friend tried to stop the car because it was still going right here, and then we just got out and the lady pulled up and told us to get on the ground.
Okay. So they didn't really say anything while they were running. They were just booking it. Right. And then they obviously stopped the car here. He didn't put it in drive or put it in park. So then
my friend behind me, Kia,
gotcha.
She put it in park.
Kiatra leaned over and threw it in park.
Yeah.
And then that's when they came up.
And then we just waited for the lady to come.
Okay. So you don't know these guys at all?
No.
Okay. Well, you had a hell of an experience.
Was sleeping. And do you see her sleeping?
I honestly just woke up. Honestly, I don't even get out the house.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It was a hell of a night out for you.
This is my first time ever even being in a situation like
this.
My homie died from speeding super fast, so I was telling them, like, slow down, because, like, you're risking all of our lives.
No, absolutely. Yeah, it's super dangerous.
Yeah, and all 3 of us, we both have kids.
Right.
So, like, you know, and
Well, maybe.
That's what we get for going.
Yeah, maybe. Next time we're not going to leave the bar with random dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, how about I'll take you out of cuffs. You're good to go.
Just so you know, he is on paper. He is past his curfew. So that's why.
Curfew?
So.
Wow, he's bold.
I got the kids to get home too. I don't even play like that.
And I think I have, unless it's in my pocket, I have some cash in the car.
Okay.
It'd be like $50, I think.
We'll have to figure the cash thing out here in a few minutes. I think your other friend's actually already calling for a ride. She's right over there.
Yeah, I just don't want to lose out on anything. I know a lot of stuff could be like evidence or whatnot, but I can tell you the exact amount in cash.
Do you know where that $50 is at?
It's in either the glove department or on the floor.
Let's make some better choices with our friends.
Hey man, can I have your hat out for me?
But even when Kevin and Deshaun refused to speak with deputies about the chase, they managed to find enough evidence in the car to know exactly why they ran.
Search a car, found probably like an ounce
Where's
underneath the driver's seat or the passenger seat.
Underneath the passenger seat.
And Creed was saying he couldn't get to it from the front. So it had to have been my guy.
I'm gonna charge you with then.
Back right?
Yeah. I haven't counted it, but it's
stack.
A stack.
Well, they said
there's 2 phones that I took and some money.
I've got phones, or I've got 1 phone.
Yeah, we'll take all 3 phones.
Well, I'm assuming they were going to pick something up because my chick said that they were going to get something. That's what the driver said.
Probably McDonald's.
Yeah.
They just passed it at 100 miles an hour.
Yeah, totally was.
Deputies find a total of 540